Okay, guys. Blair's looking for a BFH. We're gonna get some of this stuff organized so we can get. Okay, here's today's task. We have to move this stuff somewhere, somehow, some way, so we can get at that. That is the holy grail of the day. The tub. We gotta get the tub and the roof. Anyway, tell me the trailer's backed in the right way. We've got at least something going good for us. Yeah, this is what we're gonna put on that body. Anyway, oh yeah. So 1, 2. Anyway, we have to move several. Blair wants to pound out this door as well. He is one sick poupée. But if we do that, if we do this one, we probably put the top down, put a cover on it, and I think everything's good on this thing except the back floors. It'd be nice to get it in the shop just to look. I mean, it's not a big dollar car, but it's kind of cool. Ooh, passes the door test as well. Check that out. Ooh, nice. It's not seized, who knows, right? But anyway. Wow, we got to move. We have feces to maneuver. Hey, Blair! I just couldn't help it. Okay, anyway, I got work to do. Remember, Bear, to be or not to be, that is the question. No. Sorry, man, couldn't help it. To be or not to be. What do you say, B? Save me, please, Mike and Blair. No. Man. Anyway. Keep up the votes, guys. 77 to 23. Blair's starting to sweat. He's starting to sweat. Hey guys, not only does Lord Go deliver parts, they're available for free labor once in a while. Thanks, Kev. Lord Go's, yeah, we don't know what we'd do without you guys. Okay, going up, let's see what happens. Is there air in that back tire?
Yeah, you got a little bit.
Okay, well, whatever, I'll drag her out and then we'll see. Okay, one more time, Kev. Perfect.
Got lower.
Going down. Okay. Okay, well, just unhook me and we're good. I'll let you get out of here while you're still alive. Remember, not only do they deliver parts, they can be abused. Thanks, Kev.
You're welcome, Mike.
Here, I'll let you get out before I hurt you.
See you later.
Thanks, man. Appreciate the help.
You're welcome.
Yeah, easy. Watch. The back's clear. I'll check the other end. Yeah, you're good.
How hard was that?
Oh, nothing to 10 or 12 hours. The machine work won't care.
Guys, we could empty all the out tomorrow when Chris is here and get him to give it just a,
Yep,
right? May as well.
you betcha. Spend more money. Yeah. We might get your fork extensions, I suppose.
Okay, so move your car and then we'll push that thing onto the fork.
I'll move your freaking car.
Oh, right. Well, you could have driven out through the mud. No, you can't.
No, I can't get out. You trapped me in there.
Okay. Where's my keys?
Oh, imagine that. Can't find your keys.
Well, that was exciting.
Well, it was.
Good day.
It's a bit of a different look back here.
Yeah, let's go see what we've accomplished today, Blair. Okay.
Well, Mike mostly
You got
did
a
this.
fuel tank in your- Okay.
Okay, it's a totally different look.
Man, you got access to the Super B, to the Coronet, to the Roadrunner, the Cadillac, the Roadrunner, the Coronet, the Roadrunner.
It's just bee bodies everywhere I look.
I know. Well, we can, as said, if I can get this trailer, maybe tomorrow I'll take around, we'll get the trailer out. And we can get, how close are we to getting my Super B out? Oh,
Why?
God.
Which one?
The one that smashed, my first one,
Which one is that?
the purple one.
The one with the green fenders?
Yes.
And that's your purple one. Please explain.
Well, that was the first Super B I ever bought, 70.
It's not purple.
It is, it's factory purple car.
Okay, but it's not purple.
Well, inside it is.
Okay, well,
And it's a two-door post and it's a 4-speed. So it's actually the one I was going to do first, and then I just got sidetracked and bought 6 or 7 others.
oh my.
Oh my. Don't know how that happened. So yeah. So we could get these 2 El Caminos back in here.
Well, what are you doing with the trailer? That's a big trailer.
I'm going to get it out of here and park it in the... That's a nice trailer. It's heavy duty.
Take it to your industrial lot?
Well, actually, probably could. Right? I mean, it's 8 stud. This is the...
It's a big one.
Yeah. Got to get it inspected.
Well,
Okay.
take it down to, what's that? Kelowna Hitch?
Yeah.
Lou's brother. Get it run through and inspect it all in one shot.
Yeah. And then classify it as a U-built and give me a VIN.
Yeah.
Just I got a bill of sale for it, but the VIN is like their little tag and it's road after 20 years it's gone. Oh, hey. You get it this one too now.
Oh, what's the latest on your Buick GS?
I don't know. I got to talk to Marcel. Hopefully he's good.
Is that in the auction?
No.
That's another one you're keeping.
Yeah, well, I've had that one for 40 years.
I'm just asking.
That's the longest car that I still have that I've owned. Sad.
This one here or the
Yeah.
other one?
This one.
This one.
Yeah. Okay. And I might just keep one B-body convertible. And the Fireflies don't count.
Yes, they do.
No, they don't.
You're keeping both those?
What?
You're keeping both those.
Go for parts. I love my Fireflies. Well, there's the blue one. I got it. It'll still
Oh, really?
run. And the black one. There's a black one. Isn't there a black one here too?
Oh, there is.
Yeah, that black one
Didn't
runs
the rock
too.
land on it?
No, the rock landed on the white one there.
Oh,
The white one
okay.
in the Super B. Look at all these Super B parts. There's another. This piece here hard to find.
In this yard?
On this yard, it's easy to find. Okay, anyway. Junk everywhere. Junk surrounding my... Anyway, good day, Blair. It must be almost supper time.
No idea, man.
Probably early.